this is Aidan, EI8HJB. Welcome back to my channel. I'd just like to do an unboxing video of a multi-band mobile antenna. The antenna is a Multiranger 9 and it is for the bands 80 meters, 40, 20, 15, 10, 6, 2 and 70, and the antenna is rated for 120 watts. We have our manual, and we have our jumper lead and our Allen key for adjustment of our whip to suit the band. And I'll just get this out of here. Now this is the antenna, and this is the taps for each band. So we get our jumper lead, and then we select whichever tap it may be for the band. And this is where we adjust our whip for the various bands. Now the best way to mount this is on the roof of the car by drilling the roof and mounting it on that way, but I'm not going to go do it that way. So I thought that the best way to do this was a Watson tri-mag mount. I'll just push this over out of the way. This is the Watson tri-mag mount that I'm going to be using to mount the antenna to the car. So this is our tri-mag. Hopefully now you can get a good view of that, and hopefully now I'll make a couple of videos with this in use on the mobile. So thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll say 7-3 from EI8HJB. Bye bye for now.